Hey guys, Elias with Ground Zero USA here at KnowledgeFest Atlantic City 2025. Behind me and at our booth, we have a Porsche Macan. The goal with this car was to do a sound quality system that has a lot of the high-end characteristics, but doesn't hurt the pocketbook too much. All the speakers are in factory locations. So we have a front Ground Zero uranium three-way, all in stock locations. We don't have rear speakers, but we do have two 10-inch uranium subwoofers in a ported enclosure. And then we have three amplifiers driving the whole system. And we also have our Ground Zero 6-10 DSP, which is still new to us and new to many. Very capable processor, great sound. It digs deep, it gets down, but it's still very tame and mellow, just like how most sound quality enthusiasts would want. Now, again, like I said, the goal was to have a sound quality high-end system that doesn't hurt the pocketbook, and this is exactly that. It's going to give you a lot of the characteristics of our higher-end family, but at a very obtainable price point for all our consumers. You should check it out.